The legend of Pir Shehbaz. In a serene village nestled at the foot of the majestic mountains, Pir Shehbaz lived a life of devotion and simplicity. The villagers revered him, seeking his wisdom and blessings. His days were spent in meditation, healing the sick, and offering guidance to those in need. Pir Shehbaz's heart was as pure as the mountain streams, and his connection with the natural world was profound. One fateful day, a shadow fell upon the village. Jalak, a dark sorcerer driven by greed and malice, descended upon the peaceful community. With his black magic, he brought storms and droughts, causing the crops to wither and the rivers to dry. The once lush landscape turned barren, and fear gripped the hearts of the villagers. Desperate and afraid, the villagers turned to Pir Shehbaz. They pleaded with him to save them from Jarak's tyranny. With a heavy heart, Pir Shehbaz knew that he must confront the sorcerer to protect his people. That evening, under the glow of the full moon, Pir Shehbaz set out on his spiritual quest. As he walked through the forest, the trees whispered words of encouragement, and the vines carried messages of hope. The spirit of the forest, a mystical being with the form of a glowing deer, appeared before him. Pir Shehbaz, it spoke, your heart is pure, and your cause is just. I will aid you in this battle, for the forest and its creatures are with you. Empowered by the spirit's blessing, Pir Shehbaz reached the edge of the village, where Jarak awaited him. The dark sorcerer sneered, his eyes gleaming with malice. You are but a man of prayer, Jarak hissed, you cannot defeat me. Pir Shehbaz stood firm, his voice calm but resolute. It is not I who will defeat you, Jarak, but the power of righteousness and the will of the divine. With those words, a fierce battle ensued. Jarak summoned dark clouds and lightning, but Pir Shehbaz, with the spirit of the forest by his side, called upon the forces of nature. The vines roared, the trees bent, and the earth itself rose to challenge the sorcerer. As the battle reached its climax, Pir Shehbaz raised his hands to the heavens, invoking a prayer that resonated with the very soul of the earth. The ground trembled, and a blinding light engulfed Jarak. The dark sorcerer let out a final, desperate scream before being consumed by the light, his dark powers vanquished. With Jarak's defeat, the village was restored to its former glory. The crops flourished once more, and the rivers flowed with crystal-clear water. The villagers rejoiced, singing praises to Pir Shehbaz, who had saved them with his wisdom, courage, and the power of faith. Pir Shehbaz returned to his humble dwelling, where he continued to guide and protect his people. His legend lived on, a tale of spirituality, courage, and the triumph of good over evil. Please subscribe, so that you will be the first to know when I upload a new video.